Hello!
Hello po.
Hi! Magandang umaga sa Pilipinas. It's 3 in the morning in the Philippines. Nasa Philippines po kayo?
Wala po, nasa Spain.
Oy!
Alas 9. Alas 9 de la tarde.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ulitin mo. Gusto ko matutunan yan. Ano po yan?
Alas 9 de la tarde. De la noche na pala po. Alas 9 de la noche.
Noche is
Gabi.
gabi. So, 9 p.m. dyan.
Opo.
Okay. Meron akong tanong na kailangan sagutin mo. Ano, by the way, ano pangalan po?
Samuel po.
Ano po?
Or Sam. Samuel. Panglalaki po siya na name but pwede din sa girl.
So, Samuel.
Opo.
How do you spell that? S-A-M-U-E-L.
U-E-L. Yep.
Oh, this is your real name or this is a
No po. Screen name.
screen name? Oh, palakpakan natin, pinag-isipan. I like it. Ilang taon ka na po?
35 years old.
35.
Yes po.
Anong bahagi ka po ng Spain?
Barcelona.
Barcelona. Malapit ka ba sa Mallorca?
1 hour and a half by plane kasi part po siya ng Catalonia, ang Mallorca. Actually, last summer, nandun po ako. Opo.
Nakasalubong mo na si Amber Heard dyan?
Hindi po kasi alam mo po, dito din po sa lugar ko sa Barcelona, marami pong, ito po yung lugar na pumupunta yung mga celebrities. Kaya lang, mahirap silang i-determine or identify kasi po, yung mga tao dito, yung mga normal, parang mga artista na din. Tapos, so parang, para sa kanila, parang pag nakita mo, normal, parang, artista ba to? O parang naano na din kami ba na-immune na din yung mga mata namin na
kumbaga hindi big deal sa inyo. Hindi ba showbiz na bansa ang ano, no?
Hindi masyado. Yung alam mo yung last May, yung concert yata ni Bad Bunny, yung pumunta siya dito.
Okay.
Tapos yung student ko nanood ng concert. Sabi ko, gwapo ba si Bad Bunny? Sabi ng student ko, just normal. Sabi niya gano'n.
Okay.
Parang wala lang po sa kanila yung ano. Ay, kinakabahan ka ba? Oh my gosh.
Wait lang. May tanong ako sa'yo.
Sure.
Sikat ba si Dora dyan?
Yes po. Hindi, si Dora.
Ha?
Si Dora po is from Mexico.
Ano ba yan? Hindi siya sikat dyan?
Spanish siya, but hindi po.
Ano ba yan?
Sorry to break it, but hindi siya
Mexico
from
pa.
Spain.
si Diego, hindi rin?
Yung cousin niya si Diego naman is parang Colombia. Hindi, joke lang. Mexico rin po yata.
Ano ba yan?
Basta hindi sila taga Spain.
Ano ba yan, oh? Nakakairita, ha? Anyways, kailan ka pa nasa Spain, ma'am?
Last 2021, yung pandemic, nakalabas po talaga ako ng Philippines.
Ayan ba yung unang bansa mo na nag-abroad
No
ka?
po, Japan, Netherlands, Denmark, tsaka Spain.
Okay, so seasoned OFW ka.
Yes po.
Anong work mo dyan
And
ngayon?
soon to be, English teacher po.
Oh, nice. No?
Profesora de English.
Ang galing.
Oh my God, kinakabahan po ako.
Okay. May asawa ka na dyan, ma'am?
Wala po, but I'm in a long-term, long-distance relationship.
Okay,
sa
nasan yung jowa
partner
mo?
ko. Nandyan po sa Philippines. Pwede sabihin ko pa po bang lugar? Or?
Hindi na, okay na yan. Unless gusto mong tuntunin namin.
No po, no.
Okay. Alright, sige.
So, kinakabahan po ako. Usually, kaya ko namang mag-calm down, but I think, lagi kitang, sorry po ha, kasi Bisaya ako, so, mas mahirapan akong mag-Tagalog. Mas magaling siguro akong mag-English, kaya imimix ko na lang po.
Kaya ko yan, ma'am. Huwag mo lang ako Espanyolin. Okay lang.
ayaw parang insecure ako sa Tagalog ko po ba kasi 'di ba sinasabi na ano ba yan, mga Bisaya, mga tigas ang na.
Okay. How long have you been
But
in a
anyway,
relationship, Samuel?
mag-11 years na kami sa November.
Okay. 11 years.
Mhm.
All right. Tell me,
Ano,
what can I
not
do for you?
naman, I don't have problem naman with him or I just wanted to share. Kasi lang, I always listen to you like marathon pag walang work, especially ngayong
Thank you.
summer.
Thank you.
I just listen to you just to, because gusto ko lang yung parang, yung, ang tawag nito, yung may ano ka ba, may nakikita kang, like, I practice or I try to, yung parang, yung mga lessons na binibigay mo, at saka yung mga challenges din ng iba na parang, okay, tinitingnan ko din yung perspective ng iba or kung minsan may mga nagko-call, hindi naman exactly but kumukuha ko ng aral. So, I don't have a problem with him. Sobrang mabait. Kasi long distance po, di ba? And wala naman kaming mga third party. Actually, magkapareho kami ng mindset when it comes to things. So, panganay po ako sa magkakapatid. And yung first po na pagpunta ko abroad is because it was my dream na...
I'm sorry. Ano po yan? Was because?
Yung first reason po na pumunta ako ng abroad was because yung gusto ko lang makapunta ng ibang bansa.
Okay.
Kasi dati nagtiteach ako ng English dyan sa Philippines. Yung mga students ko, mga Japanese. Tapos may mga relatives kami sa Japan. And then, nag-try akong pumunta ng Japan to visit my students.
Okay.
And kasi yung dream ko talaga yung Japan. Napuntahan na. Dream ko rin din makapag-work doon kasi may mga family naman kami doon, family members. Kaya lang, nung nakapunta ako doon, sabi ko, ang sarap pala sa feelings pag nakapunta ka sa ibang bansa. You know, like, parang yung reality, yung nilalagay mo sa reality yung mga pangarap mo. Yung parang, instead of like, okay, I'm here and in Japan, this is my dream country, I'm gonna stay here. Iba yung naging effect sa akin. Parang, I'm happy na na-fulfill ko yung first na pangarap ko.
Okay.
And then, I applied for a program of au pair. I think you've heard this. You've heard about this na po before. Yung my host family and everything. That's why nakapag-stay ako ng 1 year sa Netherlands.
Okay.
And then 2 years sa Denmark. But then, yung age limit, maano ko na, yung marireach ko na. So, ang ginawa ko, naghanap ako ng work dito sa Spain.
Okay.
Or, naghanap ako ng ibang mga work sa ibang bansa dito sa Europe kasi ayoko talagang umalis. So, may nag-chat sa akin may nag-reply sa email ko na work dito sa Spain. Tapos, nung pag-uwi ko po, January 2020,
Okay.
may interview na sana ako sa embassy. Nag-lockdown nung March. So nagstay ako dyan for until 2021, like 1 year mahigit. So I'm so grateful na nakarating ako ng Spain. But ang nangyari po na I lost my dad din po that year because of the pandemic. So dati is like yung ko dito is makapunta here, tapos babalik na ng Pinas para mag-settle down kami ng partner ko. But dahil nawala yung dad ko, I have to be the father figure kasi panganay.
Okay.
Tapos marami pa akong kapatid. And like, I'm so grateful naman with my partner na supportive naman siya sa kung ano man. I'm so sorry po, parang emotional. Kasi usually I'm very strong. Tapos wala akong masyadong ano dito, yung hindi ko sinasabi kasi dapat I have to be strong for my family, and this is the reason why I want to talk to you. Kasi
Mhm.
'pag yung partner ko yung sinasabihan ko ng ganito, although ano siya, makikinig siya, but it's like worried, more worried, and ayokong ano siya, i-worry siya na sometimes I'm like, I'm not strong.
Okay.
May mga kilala po ba sa'kin? Hindi po strong po kasi yung tingin nila sa'kin, but so yun lang po yung ano, yung parang ano naman na he loves me. Marami ng time na puwede na naming sanang i-let go yung relationship, but, um, wait lang po ha, kailangan ko lang i-recenter yung emotion ko, yeah. Yung kailangan ko lang ay yung I mean, maraming beses na rin na sinubukan, but still strong. Alam mo one time nakinig ako ng, may call sa'yo na sabi mo may mga relationship talaga na laging pinaghihiwalay, hindi naghihiwalay, parang kami po yun.
Mhm.
Kasi super wala kaming problema, yun lang, long distance, but I'm very grateful for him. He's
Mhm.
been a constant support to me. So, 'pag nakikinig ako ng mga lalaking kino-call sa inyo dahil niloloko yung ano nila, parang okay, I'm so grateful na mabait yung partner ko, gano'n. But the thing is, 11 years na kami, I'm 35. I know na, um, 35 na kaming dalawa, and I don't have a doubt sa kanya, but sometimes I feel like yung 'pag late na ganito, tulog na siya or alone na ako sa house, so parang mafi-feel ko na, what if bigla siyang ano, tapos ayaw niya ng mga gano'n na topic, parang ayaw niya ng pakinggan ng gano'n. Ayoko din that I always tell him that na, but what if ayaw mo na kasi it's gonna at our age, and it's gonna be just drama. But, is it normal, Papa Jackson, that I feel that sometimes I feel scared that what if one day,
Mhm.
mm, what if one day he gets tired of long distance relationship? Kasi ang problem po, I'm still sending my siblings to college. Buti na lang matatalino, kaya may scholarship, konti na lang yung binabayaran ko, but um, I'm taking care of my mom, and siya din, gusto ko din siyang pumunta dito, but he's also like only child. I mean, meron siyang kapatid, but another story. But basically, siya lang talaga yung nag-aalaga, and his parents are like elderly na because they had kids when they were
Okay.
like, you know. So it's kind of complicated because I wanted us to be together, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna like. I also love his parents, and I understand na he's the one taking care of them, and I'm taking care of my family. I mean, our love story is like kung magkasama lang kami, it's it's calm. It's like other people's other people's dream na ganito sana yung love life ko, supportive sa isa't isa, strong. But then, yung mga responsibilities lang po ba, what am I gonna do? Is it normal that I feel this way? And I don't wanna lose him. I want to be with him forever. But I'm also like, I don't know how to explain. I also don't wanna, like, I mean, not always, but sometimes I wake up and then I think, um, what if he gets tired of this setup? And, yun lang po yung question ko. Sorry po naging therapist ka. Hello po.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm trying. There's a lot to unpack with what you said. No,
Yeah.
you started by saying we don't have any problem, and then
Yeah, we
you
don't have any problems when it
you
comes
have a
to,
lot of problems. You're denying that to yourself. You
yeah.
should listen to yourself.
Maybe that's the reason why, yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe that's the,
you
maybe
started
this is
you started by
why.
saying we don't have a lot of problems. Well,
Mm-hmm.
let's rephrase that. Ano? Maybe
Okay
maybe
po.
you don't feel that there's a lot of problem because he does not make
Uh-huh.
you feel that there's a lot of problems.
Yes po.
Okay.
I
Siguro
think
magaan
so.
siyang kasama sa buhay kaya hindi mo nararamdaman na may
Magaan.
problema kayo.
Super.
Okay.
Kaya
Well,
nga, that's why I feel like that. Kasi, I'm sorry po.
okay, you were saying
That's
kanina,
why,
ma'am, no, Samuel, no.
po.
You said you wanted to spend forever with him. Did you say that?
Yes po. Of
Okay.
course. Of
Okay.
course.
I have a question
Every
for
time.
no, let me follow your logic, no. Um
Mm-hmm.
if you said that you want to spend forever with him, tell me. So
Mm-hmm.
when will forever start?
Right when we first met each other.
No, no, no. It hasn't started yet.
Ah,
All
yeah.
all you have ever done habang kayo is to provide for your family, which is not a never a bad thing.
Yeah po.
Yeah, but you cannot keep him waiting while you try to provide for everyone who's dependent on you.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm not asking you, Samuel, no. I am not asking you to, not at any point I'm asking you to choose him now. I'm just
Mm-hmm.
asking you, when will forever start? You have to have a timeline.
Yes po.
So, kailan?
Okay po, let me tell you this.
Mm-mm.
I have a plan po. Because I have a plan po na to go home na next year.
Okay.
I was just thinking about, because pag umuwi na ako, it's gonna be different. You know, like financially, it's gonna be different. You know? But is it already enough na pag-help ko sa mom ko? Kasi when we lost our dad, it's just me and I don't want to. I'm so sorry, but okay. Um, I, I don't want to feel na parang I'm abandoning my responsibility, but I also feel like I want to be with him now. So I already planned na, I have, to be honest po, I have a plan na to go home.
Okay, let me stop you there now. You
Okay
don't
po.
have a plan to go home. You are contemplating to go home, to come home a year from now.
Uh-huh.
The fact that this is just the fact that this is just a thought that you did not share with him.
No, ito pong sinabi ko sa kanya.
Ah,
Meron po kasi akong, dito, yung sister ko po na isa, nakakuha po siya ng work. Sabi ng mom ko, na work na, let's say, magandang work, stable. Ang sabi ni ma'am, by September, pag nag-start na siya, pag nakalabas na siya dun sa training, magsa-start na siya sa work. And then I can rest na. Kaya, that's why I it's already like what you said po, na it's already like a thought that I want to grab. That's why I'm also like, I'm calling just to clarify my mind. Kasi po, gusto ko na rin umalis dito. In January po, may offer ako na 2 months work sa Switzerland. Ang plan ko po is after Switzerland, by March, hindi na ako babalik ng Spain. At uuwi na ako ng Philippines. But part of me, na ano din na, because of what I've been through, yung pagiging provider ko, I don't want to burden my sister na siya na naman ang gagawa nun. But I also feel like I have to do it now or never. So, yun po yung plan ko na after yung Switzerland na malaking offer,
Mhm.
instead of going back to Spain, I'm going back to Philippines.
Mhm. Have you told him?
But yes po.
When did you tell him?
Just, ngayon lang po ngayong mga months, I've been telling him about it. Like, but he also know na I'm also doubtful because pag ipapasa ko na yung ano ko sa kapatid ko, this is siguro yung curse ng pagiging panganay. Parang hindi ko ako lang yung makakasolve ng lahat ng problem or what.
Mhm.
Yun lang po. I'm so sorry. Sorry po, masyadong emotional. I've been bottling up
Ilang kayo
everything.
magkakapatid, ma'am?
7 po. Pero may 2 na lang na nag-aaral. College, kaya lang
Anong ginagawa ng iba? Ba't di sila sumalo? Kung nakapagtapos na rin
yung
sila.
pangalawa po kasi, nag-family na po siya.
Okay.
And then, ayoko po na may anak na din po siya, so I don't want na, alam mo yung feeling ko na, okay, I don't want you to yung mga kapatid ko, parang ayoko silang tumutulong naman sila, but I was just thinking about, like, the backup of everyone. I'm gonna be the backup of everyone. Like what I said, yung mga kapatid ko, scholar naman, but just to be the backup because Philippines is Philippines. And you need money. If one gets sick, like, it's not that easy. And I'm just scared as a panganay and then when my dad passed, I have to be the strongest soldier left to take care of everyone. Especially yung bago pa siyang nawala, parang my mom just fell into depression. Like, nagkasakit pa siya dahil parang iba na rin yung niya, not living healthily. And she got hospitalized. After hospitalization, yung malaking gastos, dun pa siya na-realize na, okay, I need to get back on my feet and be strong for my kids. But, like, it was like I was already saving up and then all went to the hospital. Parang, every time I tried to make a move, something happened. Something has to be the first priority. You know po?
Mhm.
And I wanted to put myself first, to put my partner first because he's nothing but a good partner to me. And I want to start a life because, like, yung highlight lang po ng buong taon ko is whenever I have to go back to the Philippines to see him. And then the rest of the year, I'm just like in autopilot na, okay, work, home, work, home, work, home. And it's like, it's not living. Some people say, oh, ang swerte, nasa Spain, nasa Europe. But honestly, I'm like, I'm just sick of it. I want to go home. It's like, it's not my home. Okay. Hello po. Sana po may naintindihan kayo. I'm so emotional right now.
Yeah. I get it.
I don't
I
know.
understand.
I just,
Okay, ganito hindi kita kinakat kasi I think that you really have to let out some steam, no? But, okay, ready?
Yes po.
Alright. Ganito naman, I understand that you have many obligations now. Alam mo, when you're a breadwinner, no one can take that away out of your system eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Oo. But, ang problema lang po natin sa usapan natin, ma'am, is that you don't have a specific timeline for him. Whatever is intended for him is dependent kung kailan ka malulungkot at kailan mo lang mamimiss ang Pilipinas. You don't have a concrete plan for him. In the same manner that maybe he doesn't have a concrete plan for you, kaya wala ka mapagkatiwala ang dahilan para umuwi ka sa kanya. You don't trust that he can provide for you. That's the bottom line. Na hindi
No po,
Mhm.
if just the two of us, we can do it. But I'm just thinking about my family
Yeah.
as a backup.
Well,
And
Samuel,
about
ganito Samuel, I'm not asking you to
Mhm.
abandon your families right now. I will not ask you to abandon your obligation. All right?
Mhm.
All right. But yeah, please have a timeline intended for him.
Mhm.
If it's true, if you really meant it by heart, that you really want to spend forever with this person and that you want to end up growing old with him, you're okay having him, okay siya, walang problema, maayos, by the sound of it, parang okay naman, gusto mo na siya makasama forever, then have a plan for him.
Okay po.
Because you've been jumping from one country to the next. No? Japan, Denmark, Switzerland, and now you're in Spain.
Mhm.
Tama na?
Japan, Netherlands,
Netherlands,
Denmark.
Denmark, and Spain.
Mm-mm.
Okay? So, nakakaapat ka na ng bansa. And all of this you did for your family. There's nothing wrong about that. Okay lang yun.
Mhm.
Diba? We all do things for our family. Okay lang yun, ma'am. But the thing is, you cannot claim that you want to keep whatever you guys have, diba? Whatever you've got going and not have a plan.
Mhm. This is why I'm calling you po, because I just wanted to because I think you were right when the first thing that you told me, that I'm in denial about what I really think. But yes po, gusto ko lang po ng push and clarification that I really want to be with him, and I need to do a concrete plan po to be with him. I just wanted to express the reason, my dilemma with life, but I really want to be with him for the rest of my life.
So, anong plano? Anong plano niya sa'yo? Doon tayo mag-start.
So do
Kasi
you think,
ikaw naman ang babae, ma'am. So, anong plano niya sa'yo?
kung siya po, yung dati po kasi nung nag-usap kami, bago pa po ako umalis, he told me, pwede ka naman magstay dito and I can provide for us. And then I said, no, I have to do this for my family. So he said, okay, I respect that. And then ngayon, yung parang hinihintay niya lang kung anong gagawin ko, kung anong decision ko. He's just waiting. But I know na kung siya lang po, gusto niya na rin po talaga akong umuwi.
There was a lot there was a lot that I heard when you said, paano pag mapagod siya sa LDR? Did you say that kanina?
Yes po.
Why'd you say that?
Sometimes I just think about negative things when I'm alone.
No.
But
No.
I don't know, parang naisip ko lang kasi I think sobra ako nang malayo sa kanya. And it's my thought na, paano pag napagod siya, yung gano'n. Although yung conversation namin everyday, yung pag nagko-call kami, parang malapit lang, na parang lagi lang kami, parang magkasama lang kami, parang hindi ko na-feel yung distance, always siyang nandyan. Like for example, today, 6 p.m. here, like for 2 hours ago, just when he went to bed, like we would just talk, and he just work from home and always in like if kaya need ko ng kausap, but I don't want to like always dump my negative thoughts on
So,
him
kailan mo
kasi
siya balak uwian sa Pilipinas?
yung nga yung plan ko po after nung Switzerland na isang malaking work opportunity for 2 months, and then instead of coming back to Spain,
Hmm.
sa muntik ko na masabi, sa Philippines na po ako uuwi. Tapos ang nag-hold back lang po ako kasi I've always thought na ako lang yung backup ng mga kapatid ko. And although he's telling me na there's a lot of you, they can help he's not saying cut off everyone, or he's also helping them. Sometimes if like I need some financial help, he would say, okay, I'm gonna send this to your kapatid na lang, and then you can just repay me or not at all. But he always tell me like they have to help you too. They have to help you too. And when are you gonna choose yourself? But then like yung parang nasa shoulder ko po ba yung siguro dahil panganay ako na iniisip ko parang ako lang talaga yung
No, hindi lang ikaw.
backup mo.
Pero hindi lang ikaw, hindi lang kita kayang pigilan kung yan ang iniisip mo. Pero alam mo hindi lang
This is
ikaw.
what sorry po.
Yeah, hindi lang ikaw. Let's be honest with that. No, you just do not trust that people can give the same quality of providence that you give your family.
Mm-hmm.
Tama?
Yes po.
Mm.
He always say it to me naman na you have your siblings, why can't you just like trust them na kaya na nila yan? They'll be fine. Yung sinasabi niya yan. Tapos instead na ma-feel ko na parang ay nako, parang maano pa ako ba sa kanya na sige na, busy ako. Gaganunin ko kasi I don't want to listen to yung isip ko, hindi mo kasi ako naiintindihan kasi I'm panganay, tapos sila okay yung nila ba yung life na mas well off talaga sila kaysa sa amin. Yung parang ganun ba, parang sa feeling ko hindi niya ako naiintindihan, but I know in denial ako. I think tama talaga siya. But I just need to talk to you na hindi mo alam yung family ko, hindi mo alam anything about me or sa akin. That's why I want to hear it from you, from someone else. Kasi baka iniisip ko rin baka sinasabi niya lang yun kasi I don't know, it's just familiarity na pag yung taong familiar sa'yo nagsabi, hindi mo gustong ipasok sa...
Well, that's not fair that you draw these conclusions.
Yes, I know.
Diba? That he did not do
know.
anything negative to you.
I know.
What do you want to ask me?
That's why I'm asking, is it a good decision?
I don't know.
in
You have to
March?
ask. I don't know. You have to ask him.
I told him, but I think I always say, uwi na ako, tapos hindi ako uuwi. Kasi, ay, may ganito, extend pa ako ng ganito, ganyan. And, he said, so ngayon, nung sinabi ko about to Switzerland, parang naano na siya sa mga, yung sabi ko na, uuwi ako, tapos hindi. So, parang yung Switzerland, parang, ikaw kung gusto mo. Yung parang gano'n na lang siya buba sa decision na yun. But I know, pag kinakausap ko yung mom niya, yung parang, at saka din, ako din, nafe-feel ko rin pag minsan yung parang malungkot siya, but, pinipili ko pa rin yung instinct ko na, challenge lang to for today, he'll be fine tomorrow. Yung parang, dahil strong ako, ina-expect ko na lang na strong din ng everyone. Tsaka kasi hindi siya nagre-reklamo, kaya nafe-feel ko rin na parang, but I know, deep down, na gusto niya rin akong umuwi.
Mhm.
That's why I'm just asking, like, tama po ba kasi ngayon ko lang talaga po ina-accept sa sarili ko na, okay, I need to go home na. I need to settle down. I need to start my own life. Nung nakapasok po yung isa kong kapatid dun sa work na sinasabi ko, I don't wanna, pero I think you have a clue. At lalabas na siya ng, ano niya, this September, and my mom said, okay, just one more month. You don't need to help us with anything. But still, I'm like, I don't know. Parang I'm doubting everyone. That's my problem. And I know that's my problem.
No, that's not your problem.
I don't know if I'm able to express myself across. I hope.
Yeah, but that's not your problem. You know what your real problem is?
Yes. So,
Is that you have planned and provided for everyone, but not for yourself.
mhm. Yeah.
There you go. Alam mo nga bang pinapakinggan kita?
Mhm.
Para kong kausap ang sarili ko. Para kong
Ay.
kausap ang sarili ko.
Ano yung panganay po?
Yeah. Well, hindi ako panganay, but your attitude, I completely understand your attitude.
Yeah.
That our horizon is defined by the needs of people around us.
Yeah.
Let me say that again.
Mhm.
People like you and me, and people who are meron tayong the breed, no, of breadwinners, no. Our horizon is defined by the people, by the needs of the people around us.
Yeah.
We cannot bear the fact, you cannot bear the fact and the reality that the people that you provide for will one day need something and you will not be the one providing for them.
Mhm.
Tama?
Yes po.
Yeah, I get you. But at some point, you have to understand, no, Samuel, that nalalagasan ka ng taon.
That's true.
When you left the country, you were 23 years old. Did I count the years right?
Yes po.
Yeah.
Correct.
You were 23 years old. You were mid-20s when you left. You probably looked into each other's eyes and said, saglit lang to. Antayin mo ako, babalik ako, tapos magpapakasal na tayo and whatnot. And a dozen years later, here you are. 35 years old, still unsure of whether to prioritize your own happiness or not.
Last 2023 nga po, he already gave me the ring. They still couldn't. He already gave me the ring, but like, okay, but I know, just whenever you're ready. Parang gano'n na lang po. Na-fall na rin siya sa cycle ng how I live my life. And I know it's not fair for him.
Look, I don't know what to tell you. I honestly don't know what to tell you. Other than have a timeline. And please have him cooperate with that timeline. Ganito, dito naging masama itong plano mo, Samuel.
Mhm.
Okay. All of those years, you were away.
Mm.
And all of those years, he tolerated that you had obligations to fulfill. Tama, mali?
Yes.
And then all of a sudden, here you are. You want to come home, and you just want to come home.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to understand
Yeah.
that for almost all of those years, he adjusted to a life not having you by his side.
Yeah.
At the very least, at the very least, if you want to come home, have him approve it. Let
Yep.
him plan to accommodate you when you come home. You know what my worry is?
What?
My worry is that you come home sa Pilipinas, you find a job here, you work more than 8 hours, umuwi ka nga ng Pilipinas, pero wala ka pa rin panahon sa kanya.
No. I will try to do my best na ma-recover yung mga years that we're not together.
Okay. Look, Samuel, I'm not telling you that you're a bad person. I admire your heart.
Thank you.
But people like you, sa kaduduluhan ng panahon, mga taong kagaya mo yung ubos na ubos.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I know. I've listened to some of calls, yung mga about mga OFW na ano. But that's why I also like understand what you mean.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know na I feel maybe this is my coping na okay, this is what I promised to my dad. I'm gonna take care of them. And I couldn't let that promise go. Like, and it, I don't know, but now I'm starting to realize now that I'm talking to you. I'm starting to realize that yeah, I need to. I'm nalalagasan ako ng what you said. Nalalagasan ako ng taon, and yeah, not just me, him as well. So I have to really sit down, talk to him, and really open up that I'm choosing my life. I'm choosing myself this time. And yeah, you know what Papa Jackson said? You don't know what to say, but honestly, you're
Mhm.
healing me tonight. Like, you don't know what it means to me. I'm telling you, Papa Jackson, here in Spain or everywhere, if I'm just working, I don't build friendship because I know I won't be able to have time to be with them. And I feel like, am I a bad person? Because I don't, okay, they want to be friends with me. I'm like, yeah, next time. Like, I don't even have time. They want to spend time with us. And if it's not work, if it doesn't involve anything like gaining money, I'm like, yeah, maybe next time. And I'm just going home. So I feel like I really isolated myself with the idea that I have to work. So when you say na parang magkapareha tayo, no, we're not because you have a lot of relationship. I cannot. I'm so.
No,
I've, I've
it's not what I'm saying na parehas tayo sa partner. I'm just
yeah,
saying, you're the mentality of, the messianic complex. Let me say that, no?
yeah,
That we feel like in all problems, we have to involve ourselves because we're the only we're the only ones who can give the most quality and the best quality of solution. That's not true at all.
mm-hmm.
That is not true.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I will not stop you. Ganito Samuel. I am not going to stop you. I'm not going to tell you to stop kung hindi mo kayang tumigil sa pag-provide. But at the very least, you and your boyfriend will have to agree on a timeline that's comfortable for you and comfortable with him.
Yeah.
That's all.
I just needed this I just needed this talk para po to muster the strength to
Yes, you
make
have.
this decision,
Mm-hmm. You have to.
because my main problem is myself. Ako yung pumipigil sa sarili ko na you have to do this because parang minsan na ano ko na yung long distance, yung na-feel ko ba na he's alone there, he's missing me, but he's just not doesn't he just
No, no,
doesn't
no, no, no,
say
no,
it
no, no,
because
no, 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 no. He's not alone here. You are alone there.
see that, Papa Jackson, I'm always like trying to think about other people having problems, but actually I'm the one needing
Yeah.
help.
You are the ones who's alone. It's not him. He's got the entire country here. He's here. This is his
Yeah.
homeland niya to. Ano ka ba? Sino may sabi sa'yo he's
Yeah.
alone here? He's not. You're alone there.
Yeah. So yeah, Papa Jackson, I'm that's my plan. And also the good thing is I applied for the citizenship. So just in case things go, ganito po ako mag-isip, kailangan may solution. So I applied for the citizenship. So if financially things go wrong, I'm a Spanish citizen and I can come back. But that's already my plan to go home
I will
in
not
March.
I will not ask you to alter the plans. Just have a timeline for him. Make
Yes
him
po.
feel that he's a part of whatever, however you look at the version of your future, that he's a part of it. Because he's invested 12 years of his life waiting for you.
Yeah,
At hindi madali.
I will.
Samuel,
po.
hindi maiksing panahon ang 12 taon.
Thank you for making me realize that.
You just need a plan. Kasama siya. A plan that he agrees on.
Yeah.
He deserves that.
Yeah. You.
Oh, if he can listen to this, what do you want to tell him?
Um. Cookie. Cookie. Thank you for everything. Thank you for waiting, for supporting me with everything, my dreams, my when it was just a dreams and it became responsibility, you're there. My ups and downs. And I think it's time that I have to be there for myself this time. So you don't have to wait for me. I'm gonna be there for you and to prioritize myself. Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Mhm.
You know,
Mhm.
sorry po ha.
It's
I
okay.
think the whole call I'm just emotional. It's like
No, it's okay.
years
It's
of
okay.
years. I never cried in front of my mom or my family or him. So I think you're my safe space with this kind of
Well,
emotion.
that's too much
And the
to take as a
4,000 or
compliment.
how
No.
much?
That's too much to take as a compliment to say that this is your safe space. No? I think that should probably be him, not me.
Yeah. Ah,
You're a good person.
it means a lot. It
Samuel,
means a lot.
Samuel,
Thank you po.
you're a,
Yes,
you're a good person.
thank
No,
you.
no, no. I'm not yet finished. I want you to listen to me.
Ah, sorry.
You're a good person to everyone you love. Please, be nicer to yourself.
I really po.
Did I make sense?
Yes,
Be nicer to
sometimes I
yourself.
look at myself like I'm not good enough. But I think I have to be good enough for myself as well. So thank you for making me realize that now.
Hmm.
It means a lot. It means a lot. I'm really happy that I called you. I'm like, I don't wanna, I don't wanna call, I don't wanna bother you. Yung problema ko baka hindi man masyado importante, but it means a lot, and I'm beyond grateful that I called you, that I reached out to you. It means a lot, Papa Jack. I don't know what it means, but it means a lot. Hello po?
Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so much. um,
Good luck po sa'yo, ma'am.
thank you and good luck
Good,
din
mo-
po.
good morning po.
Good night. Gracias.